Okay, here's a 2003 Chevy Avalanche. The two-wheel drive. V8 engine, 5.3 liter, I believe. Never had any problems with this truck. Except for one time the other day, the fuel filter went out on us. That's the only thing we ever had. We barely even use this truck. The only reason we use it is to pull our travel trailer and our boat. That's the only reason we use it. We take it out sometimes just to get it running. Yeah, it's kind of messed up in there. We have the brake control system for our trailer. Yep. Fuel gauge is messed up, but who cares? Just kind of gotta guess whenever to stop and get gas. It has a bed with the panels in it. A whole bunch of our pool stuff back here. Boat trailer tires. A couple of boat trailer tires blew out, so put them back there. Have the receiver hitch and all that.